we're giving you a first look at the new Tri-Conical FermZilla. It's pretty rad. Let's check it out. Well, let's go over the biggest change from last generation to this generation. This has all the same great features as the last generation, so the massive difference has to do down here with how you connect the valve to your fermenter. Now keep in mind, this is a pressure vessel. This is pretty rad. This is holding high pressure, so the fact that they figured out how to inject a TC, tri-clover, fitting onto here is impressive. So it has a butterfly valve between the vessel and the bottom collection chamber, and it's using a cap to convert you from the 1.5 inch TC on the bottom of the valve, 3 inch on top, 1.5 on the bottom, into the collection chamber. That's the massive difference between this. It's easy to clean, easy to take apart between uses. If you're not familiar with tri-clover, it might take a little getting used to. The prior system worked fine. It worked well. It wasn't as easy as this one is, and that's what you're going to be paying for with the new model, is that ease of use. Now, the old model is going to be around for a long time, so we don't want to scare you away and say, oh, that's trash now, you got to go replace everything with this, because that's just not true. They both work great. They're just going to be at 2 different price points.
Yeah, for me, that's the price point of both the models is great. You cannot find a pressurizable conical fermenter for that price. So, I mean, to be able to do pressurized transfers, to be able to drop your hops out, harvest your yeast, everything you get from a high-end conical fermenter at this price point is just truly amazing.
I'll say this, if you're fairly new to brewing and you want to go to a conical, I would actually say go this route. Get the pressure pack, then you can still see the fermentation, you can see the onset of fermentation, so you're not panicking. You know, I remember those first few years that you're like, did that yeast take? Is it going? Especially lager strains where it's taking a longer time to get going. So having that clear plastic is nice. Now, keep in mind that these are pressure rated and need to be tested every couple of years.
Yeah, I think it's every 18 months, 2 years, right around there.
Yeah, we sell a kit to do that.
Yep.
And so just know you're going to be replacing the shell every few years. They are plastic, so they're vulnerable to scratching, things like that. But for the most part, the average home brewer is going to love this. If you're brewing 5 times a week, then probably in the long run, plastic isn't your jam. But the price is great. These are in stock and shipping today.
So head over to morebeer.com to get your FermZilla Tri-Clover, the new one. Also be sure to like, subscribe for more videos from us. Woo! Had to.